When that lawsuit is finished that you have against Mr. Smith, if you are unsuccessful in collecting anything from Mr. Smith in that lawsuit, then you are free to come back here and say, listen, I got nothing from this lawsuit for my bike, and so I paid to have it fixed myself, and I want it fixed right, and he didn't fix it right, so I want some of my money back. But if you get a full award in another court against Mr. Smith, and I've given you money for the same motorcycle, then you got paid 2 times. So you have your choice. Well, yeah.
It's 2 separate instances, ma'am. The accident is the accident, and what he did is what he did.
Am I not making myself clear?
You're making yourself clear. To me, you're not, ma'am, honestly. I honestly believe that the 2 separate instances, I used my own money. Normally, I would have used the money.
Okay.
So if let's just say, can I play this
No,
out,
no,
please?
no. There was only 1 bike and 1 accident.
Roger.
Just a second. There was only 1 bike and 1 accident that you took in to be repaired. And you are suing Mr. Smith for the same injury to the bike.
I'm suing Mr. Smith for the injury to the bike, and I'm suing Mr. Aiken because he did lackluster work on my bike. He misrepresented what he was going to do on the bike, and that's why I paid him $5,000 for doing work on a bike that he was not supposed to do.
If you had $5,000, and you could make just a second, and you could make your bike new, like it was before 2017 accident, you would be whole.
Negative, because I have spent $5 of my own money. I would not be whole. I would be whole if I got...
But you're going to get... But
I don't know that, man. And that's a whole other case. That has nothing to do with this case.
I want you to listen.
Yes, ma'am.
If you are made whole in the case against Mr. Smith, you will get the value of your bike. That's what you will get.
Value of the damages, ma'am.
Just for the damages to your bike, you will get that. So you'll be able to take that money and have it fixed to your satisfaction someplace else.
But I'm still $5,000 down, ma'am.
I don't understand how you're $5,000 down.
Because I gave him $5,000.
If Mr. Smith is giving you $5,000 to fix your bike, because that's what it costs to fix it, and you've already spent $5,000 with somebody else to fix it.
Right. I'm going to have to take the money that I get from the court and pay someone else to fix it again.
That's true. That's true. That's true.
So I'm not whole, ma'am.
You're not whole. That's true. You're right. You convinced me.
I'm sorry. I was getting a little shoddy here. I'm like, oh, my God, here we go.
No. You convinced me. So now we're on to step number 2. You convinced me.
Can I have water, please?
Yes. No, that was a good exchange. That was a good exchange. That's true. Okay, so now, let me see a picture of the bike that you gave to him.
This is the original bike, the way it looked before the accident. This is the bike on the accident day.
I'll see all of them. Oh, that bike's really messed up.
A little bit.
You really messed up the bike. Okay, now I'd like to see the bike that you picked up from him.
These are the photos. This is what the bike looks like here.
Do you have pictures of the bike?
Yeah, I did take a couple pictures of the bike when he had left on
And I also have some photos of some of the stuff he did, the zip ties that had to be used to hold the bike together.
I'd like to see them.
Some of the wiring harness are all broken.
How did you find him, Mr. Kano?
I went to a bike event, and I asked a friend. I asked a friend for help with the mechanic, and she had referred me to a gentleman, and the gentleman gave me his number.
Bird. What is zip ties?
You can see the wiring harness under the lights. They're just hanging there, and the black little zip ties are actually what's holding it up.
Are you supposed to use zip ties in a bike?
The aftermarket headlight assembly that he wanted to put in there comes with an HID kit. It's a lighting system, and per their instructions, is to use zip ties to hold the wiring together.
Did you ask him to put other things, other aftermarket things?
I told him to put...
Shh. Did you ask him to put any aftermarket things in the bike as long as he was fixing it?
Headlights, yes, ma'am.
So the answer is yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Headlights.
Yes, ma'am.
The bike itself looks like this. This is after.
That's after he fixed it, yes, ma'am.
That's after. That doesn't look bad to me.
Those plastics on motorcycles, you can buy aftermarket plastics for very cheap, anywhere from $600 to $1,000. The plastics on that bike, the set for the plastics on that bike is upwards of $2,000. It's a limited edition bike. To even get those plastics, you have to have a VIN number and a registration. When I spoke to him, the last conversation we had, which wasn't a very pleasant one, he sent me he video chatted me, and I saw the 93 wasn't there. I told him, those aren't original plastics. He said, yes, they are. I wouldn't do that to you. And I said, what do you think I am? You think I'm stupid? You paid anywhere from $600 to $1,000 for those plastics. Those are aftermarket plastics.